Stop by and take a look at the 2018 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.